वाह व्हाट क्या टी शर्ट यार ऑसम यार मतलब बाय अ बाइक एंड गेट अ टी शर्ट फ्री
टी शर्ट के लिए बाइक लिया है
एब्सोल्युटली वाह Hello everyone and welcome to Bikes Buddies and more. Now our Ninja Man Kapil has been looking for some company and has been busy trying to convince people to pick up a Kawasaki for quite some time now. The latest to join that bandwagon is none other than Aman. Aman, as you know, was riding a Triumph Daytona, a stunning piece of machinery, and he recently took the plunge and bought the mind-blowing 2021 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. Now he does a bit of track, so his choice was obvious. Unlike Kapil, who wanted a touring machine, the Ninja does it all. So we're gonna get you up close and personal to the delivery ceremony and how this beauty feels in the flesh. And as always, this is an exclusive. So go ahead and enjoy. Congratulations. Get on the beauty, yes.
How do you
Yes.
Sex and the E, sexy. Alright.
Yeah. Beautiful. Well done. Turn on the ignition and you're greeted by a sweet sound. That's signature inline 4. The Ninja is powered by a 1000cc inline 4-cylinder engine that makes a solid 200 bhp at a slightly higher 13,000 rpm. The torque is also really impressive at 115 Newton meter. What Kawasaki claims is that it's got a very short gearing that's ideal for track use. And as signature inline 4s, the power builds as you go higher up the rev range. The update includes the stunning new paint job on the fairing. Well, you can buy this in two colors. One is the lime green or the ebony. Flat ebony is what Kawasaki calls it, which is largely the black. We'd prefer this green because it looks stunning and striking at the same time in this color. What's also new is this 4.3-inch color TFT display along with smartphone connectivity. Now it has pretty much everything that Kawasaki has to offer and you would probably need to see about your bike. The new Ninja also comes with a solid braking unit, especially in the front where it has massive 330mm Brembo discs with M50 calipers, which is right on top with the best in the business. While you're yet to ride this beauty, but from the looks of it, the signature Ninja ergonomics, handling and agility will continue to be its strong points. The saddle height is also extremely comfortable for people of all sizes. This version also gets the stunning LED headlamps, integrated winglets, and most importantly, the Kawasaki River Mark, which was reserved primarily for the supercharged models, is now also on the ZX-10R. So the original Ninja Man fiddling with the 10R.
Original Ninja Man moves to get a new Ninja Man.
Okay. Yeah. So Aman, now tell me, you've been known as the guy with steel genitals in our group, right? Yeah. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? So Daytona got you from where you are, where you were to where you are.
Yeah.
Where do you think the 10R will take you now? 5 years from now, what will your genitals like?
I think you have to go with the flow. So the one that I've got now has titanium headers. So you know where I'm getting to with this. I think I'll have to upgrade myself with
Titanium. The ZX-10R was always a solid road and track bike. And with the new updates, it's even more compelling. Now, with Kawasaki retaining the price advantage at about 17 lakhs on road, it continues to be a great package while being cheaper than the standard Ducatis or Yamahas. So, if inline 4 is your thing, look no further. And very soon, we will be getting you a detailed ride review of the 2021 Kawasaki ZX-10R. Again, exclusively for you. So until then, ride hard, ride safe, ride responsibly with bikes, buddies, and more.